I want to show you how to upgrade your hard drive from this stupid 10 GB hard drive into this awesome 320 GB hard drive like this. I will recommend you to use a Seagate hard drive or a Western Digital hard drive. And you will also need 2 screwdrivers, a torx 10 like this and a torx 20 like this. And you will need 2 ATA IDE cables like this. And the last thing you will need is a old computer with a ATA motherboard. You need a primary and a secondary ATA output, and that is typical called IDE 1 and 2. Let's get started. First, select the File Explorer and select the E drive, and make sure you have a EEPROM and a Microsoft backup. In that case you don't have, go back and select System and select Boot Softmod menu. And just select Backup Restore feature and create a Microsoft backup and create a EEPROM backup if you need one of those. And that's it. And if you have the backups on your E drive, just do what I tell you not to do. Select System Settings and select Storage and unlock your hard drive like this and select Yes. Go back and make a reboot. And as you can see, it no longer works on my Xbox because of it needs some login code on the hard drive that fits into my Xbox's motherboard. And let's go to the next step. Yes, here you got the Xbox. Turn it over like this, and you will find the 6 screws. You got 4 screws under these rubber things, and you got 2 screws under these 2 stickers. Just remove the rubber like this. And remove all the screws. Remove all the screws. And turn the Xbox back and give it a little shake. Now you will need a torx 10 screwdriver, and you need to remove this screw like this. And now remove the hard disk like this. And remove the power cable from here like this. just nice and easy. And take your torx twin screwdriver and remove these screws. And remove these two screws like this. And now remove the hard drive from the case and remove the power cable and remove the ID cable like this. And here you will have a hard drive for the Xbox. Let's insert it to your computer and boot up in Windows. Make sure to let your PC boot up from your Windows hard drive, and now select Xplorer 360, select drive, open, and select hard drive and memory card. Here you will find the 4 partitions, and this is the E drive, and you will need all the files in here, but at least the games folder and the videos folder. So make a new folder and drag all those files you will need into this. And select these files and take these items Now you should have a folder, looks like that, and that's it. And now I will move my files into a storage device, because I don't have all I need to do the rest on this computer. So let's go to the other computer if you want to do that, but you can use the same computer for all the shit. Okay, this is the backup folder. Now open your web browser and download Xbox Hard Drive Maker. And save the file into your computer. You will find the link down in the description. And now just extract the folder into the desktop like this, and open the folder and select the Linux folder and select the C folder. Now open your backup folder and find the folder named backup and select Microsoft. And now just copy all those files into the C folder like this, And now go back and find the EEPROM folder, and go back here too and find the EEPROM folder. And here you got a file named EEPROM. Just copy that file into the EEPROM folder. And now go into the E folder and just go back here. And now you will need all those files in your backup folder. Just make sure to copy all those files into the C folder. And now go back and find the file named make ISO win and select it. And now it will make a ISO for you. Just take the ISO named Linux and drag it into your desktop. Now start up DVD decrypter and make sure to set the mode to write ISO like this. Now find the source file, and that is of course the Linux ISO, and just open it and make sure to set the write speed on 2 and just click here to burn it. And I forgot to tell you about, you will need a blank CD this time, and not a blank DVD but a blank CD. And after the burning program is finished, just close it down and you are ready for the next step. Okay, here we have a old PC with a 8 motherboard. As you can see, this is a 8 cable, and here you got the slave, and here you got the master. As you can see, slave, master. And this is the primary. The blue one will always be the primary, and the white or black one will always be the secondary, but sometimes they have the same color. In that case, you will need to look at your motherboard on the side on the 8 outputs, and you will see IDE 1 and IDE 2. The IDE 1 is the primary and the IDE 2 is the secondary. And make sure to insert the disk drive into the master, and make sure that is the secondary 8 output. And for the primary 8 output, you will need to insert the hard drive and make sure to use the master. Insert it and find a power cable too and insert it, and we are good to go with the Xbox hard drive upgrade. And that's it. Okay, start up your computer and make sure it will boot from the secondary 8 output. And now select 1 and press enter. And now you can see the little Linux penguin logo in the corner. That's always make me happy. And now type in Xbox HD and press enter. Oops, I try again, box HD and press enter. Sometimes it will do that and you just have to type it in again, Xbox HD, and press enter. Now you will get this screen and just type in yes and press 1 and press enter to build a new hard drive. And just type in yes and press enter, and now it will format it, and press yes again. And type yes to copy the files, and it will build you a C drive. And now it will ask you about you wanna build a E drive, and type in yes and press enter. And that's it. Just press and hold the power button until your computer turns off, and power up again. And this time press 3 and enter. And type in lock HD and press enter. Now press lock HD and press space and press hyphen and A and press enter. And sometimes it will do that, just do it again. Lock HD space hyphen A. And it will ask you about you wanna lock the drive, and you just click Y this time and press enter. And now you have a locked hard drive for your Xbox motherboard. Just turn off the PC by pressing the power button and wait until it turns off. Now we are finished with this part. Now we just need to do the last parts, and let's get started. Here you got the new hard drive. Insert it to the hard drive box like this, and put the screws back. Flip over and continue. And that's it. This is the front of the Xbox, and you will need this warning to be in the back of the Xbox. Now remove the cables and put it back. It's sometimes a little tricky to get it in level with the disk drive, but you just have to try some few times. Like this, and insert the screw back like this, and make sure to insert the power cable first. Like this, and insert the ATA IDE cable. Like this. And that's it. You can use a little piece of tape to hold it down like this. And now take the top of the Xbox and put it back. Sometimes you'll get a little gap here like this, but don't sit on it, don't beat it, or don't do anything stupid. Just use the screw to press the bottom and the top together. And put the rubber things back. And that's it. Now we are ready for go. Okay, now start up your Xbox. And as you can see, it starts up in Xbox dashboard, and now you will just need to insert some plain splinter cell from 2002, and make sure you still have the SID installer, and you still have the the installer file. And that should be it. Just insert the game. In that case you don't have the installer file, you can just follow my how to softmod your original Xbox movie. Now press Start Game, select the Linux profile and select checkpoints. And you already have the backup on your hard disk, so just select Install Dual Boot Softmod and select Hack Dash and Softmod menu and select the virtual CD-ROM and select this and press yes to proceed, and it will check about I have my backups and I pass. Just click yes to continue and wait a little. I will speed up the video for you. And now click yes to proceed the next step. Now turn on your Xbox by pressing the eject button. And remove the disk and close it again. And now press A to proceed the last step of the softmod. And that's it. And as you can see, I have this F drive, and maybe you will be asked in Xbox hard drive maker about you want to create a F drive, and you just select yes. But now, as you can see, I only have 123 gigabytes on my F drive, and I only have 4.6 gigabytes on my E drive, and I have used a pretty big hard drive, so I will just go down and select System and select Settings and select Storage, and I will enable a drive G. Do that if you have a hard drive over 120 gigabyte. Now go back and say yes to save the change, and go back and do what I tell you not to do now. Select the format menu and format the G drive and select yes, and press OK and wait a little. That's it, just make a reboot. And now you have a kick-ass Xbox like me. And as you can see, I got 107 gigabyte extra. So that's how to do. I hope you enjoyed my movie. And that was how to upgrade your Xbox hard drive by using an older PC. I hope you enjoy it and have fun.